Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. So today we are going to be making some flom out of some slime and some foam beads. So there's different ways to make flom. For one, you can buy foam beads, and for two, you can use any piece of styrofoam that you have. So you can use styrofoam cups, or I have this from when my sister had her birthday. This was packaging her present. So pretty much all I did was rip it apart and put it into little tiny beads like you see here. So that is all you need for flom, and that is all you need. And if you have enough, like if you buy a whole thing of cups or whatever you have, I suggest making as much as you think you need, and then you might need more. So I have some little pieces right here already cut off in case we need some more, and I'll show you guys how to do that. So I have these little pieces here, and what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna take it and drag our finger across it and get it so that way it is coming off in a little, the little circles are coming apart off of it. And it actually is easy, and it only took me about 10 minutes to make this, and yeah. So you're gonna do that with just the whole entire thing, or however much you want. Maybe you could use 1 cup or 2 cups or 1.5 cups of a cup of an actual styrofoam cup. So that is how much you need. Anyways, let's get into our slime. So I made this slime with a friend just the other day, and it is clear slime, but the bummer part about it is that it did not turn into really clear slime. So I decided, you know what, I'll just add some foam beads to it since I had that foam. So I have this slime and I have the foam, and we are gonna put it together and make it awesome. So this slime is purple and it has some glittery pieces in it. It's really shiny and really fun to play with. So I'm going to kind of pat it down, and we're gonna put this right here. Okay, so we're patting it down, and now we have our foam. So I'm probably gonna need about all of this. So actually I'm gonna make this bigger just so I can make it, just so I can get as much of it as I can in. And then we're gonna dump it in. I'm gonna do just a little bit at a time, as much as I can, and then fold it over, because I don't want these foam beads getting everywhere. That's not gonna be fun. Guys, this is my first time making foam. I've only seen it made, so if you guys have any suggestions on any other slime that I should make, go or tell me in the comments. Comment down below. Okay, so now we're kneading this together. This already is so cool. I can see why flom is so cool. Also, flom is my favorite type of slime, so that's part of the reason why I wanted to make this. Oh my, this is cool. Wow, this is awesome. Whoa, okay, so I'm gonna add in the last because I definitely need more. And there's a little bit of chunks in here, and I'm probably just gonna break that up as I'm playing with it. But that is okay. I mean, you can kind of make it however you want. Slime is something to use your imagination on, to add whatever you want to it. I've added the craziest things to slime before. I added real sprinkles. Don't actually add real sprinkles. It's not a good idea. Okay, so now I have my last little bit in here out of the bowl. It's all gone now. And now we're just gonna add this all together and get it nice and flomy. And make sure you get all of that styrofoam, because that styrofoam is a pain in the booty. Okay. And I'm gonna clean out the bowl too, just so I can get all of the little pieces of styrofoam all over the place. Okay, so now that I'm back, I'm on the camera now. Hello everyone. So this is the flom, and guys, I think this turned out so awesome. I think it's perfect, and I would not want to make it any other way. That is one satisfying slime. I'm having a hard time looking at my camera because I just want to see the flom. It's so pretty! So thank you guys for watching this video on how to make DIY flom. So this was pretty much free. All I had to do was make the slime and then just add the flom into it. So if you ever see any piece of styrofoam in your packaging, use it, because I actually have packing peanuts and I'm gonna try putting that in slime. So if you guys wanna see that, go comment down below. Comment down below if you wanna see packing peanut slime. See me try that out. Okay, you guys, so thank you guys for watching. If you wanna see my last slime video, go check that out right here. It is awesome and so cool. What was the last slime video that I made? Go check that out. So thank you guys for watching this DIY flom video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! And don't forget to subscribe.